I'm most excited about seeing the pupils progress, looking at where they are now and where they're going to be by the end of the project.
The idea is that we can be creative in the classroom again, that we can take the ideas that we learn in the process and then share them with the staff and encourage the staff to use processes that are probably different, that are outside their comfort zone. And I think we've had a really good start so far.
To work with these kids to basically teach beatboxing, rap, looping and hip-hop production and so on, through teaching science through these creative art forms.
We're learning about the immune system and the skeletal system. It's like all the bones in your bodies. We're making a song about it.
The kids are really knuckling down and getting some great pieces of music going.
I think it helps us more because it's not like a classroom, and in the creative schools it's just like giving you an opportunity to do things on your own.
I'm learning as an individual within school that ownership of learning then is something that possibly we don't give them enough of in school, and this project is giving them that level of ownership, and that hopefully they'll be able to take that with them, you know, as they go forward.
It's been interesting. You never know where these projects take you, to be honest. I feel that we are going to get something good by the end of it.
Some of the things we've done, it can make you think differently and take on projects differently, because I wouldn't have thought to do make people out of plastic and things like that.
The skills are clearly on show. The kids have become more resilient, more independent, and there's been a level of maturity in the group. You know, the pupils I meet now are different to the pupils I was discussing this project with at the beginning.